Hey guys, and welcome to this week's Fab in 5. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create this simple and easy, yet still very festive and kind of glam Christmas holiday tutorial. If you're interested in finding out how I created this look step by step, then keep on watching. Okay, so I have gone ahead and done foundation, concealer, powder, and brows just to save some time. So the first product that I'm going to be using today is my Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. Okay, I'm now going into my Morphe blush palette. This is the Cool Pro 8C. So first one I'm going to go into is the shade Free. To the cheeks, bring it a little bit more into the apples of the cheeks. It has a tiny bit of a sheen, so it really gives that like healthy glow. And you could leave it at this, but I'm going to be a little bit extra. So I'm going to go into Queen and just tap it right here. I feel like a darker blush in winter, you know, it's colder outside, you get rosy cheeks anyways, it's kind of fitting. So now I'm gonna go in with some highlight and I'm gonna go to my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep the eyes with my Rare Beauty eyeshadow primer. So first what we're gonna go into is ColourPop Stone Cold Fox. I'm going to first go into the shade Luxe. It's a nice cream shade to set down the eyeshadow. I'm now going to go into the shade Stranger with a large fluffy brush. And I'm going to apply that across the crease. I'm going to take the same brush with no additional product and I'm going to do small circular motions to blend and soften those edges. I'm going to take a smaller, more precise brush and I'm going to go into Ghost Town to darken up that crease. I'm going to point my brush downwards so that I'm not applying it too high. I'm going to go back with this brush here into the first shade that we used and use that to again soften those edges. So first I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Lifeliner Quick and Easy Precision Liquid Liner and do like a decent wing. I don't want it to be too thick that it's taking up too much of my eyelid. I'm actually going to take some glitter glue. I have the NYX one right here. Take an angled liner brush and apply glitter glue along the winged eyeliner. Then we're gonna go in with some glitter. I'm gonna just go ahead and pop on some mascara. I'm gonna be using the Essence Lash Princess. What is a Christmas look without a red lip? I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in True Red. And then I'm gonna go in with my MAC Love Me Liquid Lip Color in the shade Adore Me. All right, so that is the finished look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, give me a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do also have a giveaway going on, so the information is in the description box below, and I will see you guys next time.